This is the introduction video for the Immunology Lab, directed by Dr. Akira Shibuya and Dr. Kazuko Shibuya. Our immune system works to eliminate pathogens and tumors. Still, excessive activation of immune cells carries the risk of attacking our own cells, tissues, and organs, which is harmful and may finally cause autoimmune diseases and inflammatory diseases. Therefore, immune cells have a mechanism to regulate their activation. Our research goals are to clarify the molecular mechanisms of immune cell regulation, which are involved in disease, and provide a new approach to overcome it. From here, let's talk about our laboratory projects. The first topic is tumor immunity. In our body, thousands of cancer cells occur spontaneously every day. Immune cells, such as T cells and NK cells, which have cytotoxic activity, constantly recognize and eliminate tumor cells, which are different from the normal cells. The mechanism that constantly monitors and eliminates such tumor cells is called immune surveillance. When tumor cells escape the immune surveillance, tumors are established. Elucidating how immune cells recognize tumor cells and how tumor cells escape immune surveillance is extremely important in the development of anti-tumor therapy. Our laboratory focuses on the activating receptor DNAM1, which is expressed in the immune cells and recognizes CD155 and CD112, highly expressed in tumor cells. DNAM1 mediated activating signal promotes the T cell and NK cells cytotoxicity and promotes tumor rejection. In addition, checkpoint blockade therapy is a newly established and powerful treatment for the cancer patients. DNAM1 is also involved in the checkpoint blockade therapy. Therefore, clarification of DNAM1-mediated tumor immunity will be connected to the novel anti-tumor immune therapies. The second project is related to asthma, atopic dermatitis, and food allergies. Type 1 allergic responses are triggered by B-cell producing IgE that binds to mast cells and releases a large amount of chemical mediators. We have identified a novel inhibitory receptor called Allergy-1, expressed on the mast cells and dendritic cells. Allergy-1 on mast cells restricts the IgE receptor-mediated allergic response, and Allergy-1 on dendritic cells is also involved in allergic reactions through the regulation of IgE production. Our current research tries to develop new therapeutic agents against type 1 allergies, targeting Allergy-1 receptor. The next topic is related to inflammatory disorders. Associated with a pathogen invasion, our body causes an inflammatory response mainly induced by immune cells to eliminate the pathogen. However, the inflammation has harmful side effects and damages our healthy cells and tissues. Finally, chronic and acute inflammation has the potential to be the reason for some diseases. Therefore, the immune system should have a mechanism to control inflammation appropriately. In addition, it is essential to investigate a new approach against inflammatory disorders. We focus on the immune receptor MER family expressed in immune cells that infiltrate inflammation sites. MER1 transduces inhibitory signals, and MER2 transduces activation signals. MER2 is expressed on inflammatory monocytes, which contributes to pathogen elimination. On the other hand, MER1, which is highly expressed on mast cells and dendritic cells, suppresses the expression of cytokines and chemokines. By controlling the function of each immune cells by these receptors with different properties, the tissue homeostasis is maintained, and unraveling these receptors and immune cell function may lead to overcoming inflammatory diseases.
Hello everybody. I am Akira Shibuya, professor of the immunology department. We are working with basic immunology and clarify how the immune system protects us from the several infectious diseases or cancers, allergy, and autoimmune diseases. And our goal is to translate based from the basic immunology to the clinical application. You are very welcome to our laboratory. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hi, my name is Kazuko Shibuya. As you know, the immune system is important in protecting our body. The immune system, the many types of the immune cells interact with each other via the immune receptors. And actually, we have identified the several new immune receptors involved in the activation and the inhibition of the immune responses. So now we are interested in the physiological function and the pathological function of them. So in our lab, more than 30 young investigators and the students are working right now. And if you are interested in the immunology research, that you are very welcome to our lab. So please feel free to contact us.
Many projects other than the research introduced today are also ongoing in our laboratory. If you have any interest and wants to know about our lab, please feel free to contact us or take advantage of opportunities such as open campuses. We look forward to meeting you.